Casting some bars, coins, and crosses today. Melting down an old project. See the link for casting metal and plastic. More surface contact with the metal leads to more heat transfer. And therefore faster melting of the metal. As soon as there is some liquid metal at the bottom, melting goes way faster. Scrap with higher melting of flame point is floating on top. Metal floating on metal is always nice to see. We remove the slag now. As good as possible to have a clean pour layer. Applying again some heat for a good casting. Grabbing the crucible instead of the handle for easier pouring. We try to pour into the widest openings. Starting with the big ones. And filling all the molds one by one. At least that's the plan. All done. Now let them cool down for a bit. And just to be sure, we threw them into some water. Molds are low quality and a little sticky. And well, the big ones are still hot. Let's see what we've got. Some nice looking small pieces. But quite heady anyway. Let's weight them. Metric first, imperial afterwards. $215 grams in total. And the same exercise in imperial. 8.2 ounces in total. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Casting some bars, coins, and crosses today.